create a cool screen pump effect in After Effects. I recommend using an action clip or a sports clip of some kind. I've got my baseball clip on the timeline. I'm going to go to a frame where the bat just about meets the ball here. Press S on my keyboard, keyframe the scale, press P on my keyboard, keyframe the position, press U on my keyboard to bring up the keyframes. What I'm going to do is highlight those keyframes, shift them about 3 frames to the left, and then on the frame 1, I'm just going to zoom in a bit on the scale and just shift it so we're a bit closer in on the action like this, and then just highlight those first keyframes we made, Control C, move 2 frames forward, Control V. So then we can highlight all those keyframes, right click, keyframe interpolation, Bezier, speed graph editor, and then we can change the velocity on these velocity arms, going from slow to fast like this. And voila, there we have it, a screen pump effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.